quick video on how to apply the Tyre stickers. So clean up the area and mark with some masking tape where you want to put the stickers step one. Okay, so mask off wheel spokes. So when you're going to sand down the tyre, just to get a key so the stickers can stick flat. Okay, so going to use a rotary tool, which I've not tried before. Should speed up the sanding, it can take quite a while by hand. If you just sand enough, just take the lettering so it's fairly flat. I might just go over it again. Don't take too much off. It's both sides. Nice and sanded down. Like this. This is just where I haven't sanded it. Other side. Okay, ready to clean up with some acetate, which comes with the Tyre stickers. Okay, right, let's see that. This is how much glue put on. Because that's the letter we've got indentations and glue set inside. Push it down, you put glue on. You want to be pressing down for probably 10 seconds on each corner. Okay, after about 10 seconds on each corner, you can then peel the edge on the covering. Get my finger in there. Okay, you might see a bit of glue. Just dab the corners just to soak up the glue, just makes it a bit tidier. Okay. And then you can move on to the next letter and so forth. Forgot to mention, it's best to do this with the wheels off the car. Then you do one at a time. Reason being, if the wheel's on the car, it's quite hard to line the lettering and apply the pressure needed. So that's the main lettering done. Just the edges. You might see some glue there, which is fine. Red stripe didn't quite go on as far away as I thought, so it's probably best just to leave the red stripe on the backing tape with the lettering. It's quite tricky, just like that. Another little tip, just push down on the edges where the tyre curves round when you're pressing down, because that's where, again, the tyre will flex. Okay, that's it. That's one side done. Probably allow an hour